Welcome viewers to My Startup TV. I'm your host Abhishek. Today we bring to you the latest from the world of information technology, drones and gadgets in our Tech Today show. Top headlines for today are: Predator drone acquisition by Indian Navy, Twitter to launch Super Follow tool, ISRO develops 3 types of ventilators to fight against COVID-19. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. News for today are: the Indian Navy is planning to approach the Defense Ministry for acquiring 30 Predator armed drones from the US for the 3 services to counter the challenge posed by China's Wing Loom to drone. Twitter plans to launch Super Follows feature, which will enable users with at least 10,000 followers to charge for providing exclusive contents like tweets, joining community groups, or receiving newsletters. The Indian Space Research Organization has developed 3 types of ventilators: programmable respiratory assistance for the needy aid, space ventilator aided system for trauma assistance, and ventilation assistance unit. Facebook-owned online chatting app WhatsApp is adding a new feature for voice messaging that will help speed up voice messages playback. Users will be able to play voice messages at a speed of 1x, 1.5x or 2x. Infosys Limited has collaborated with ArcRock Inc., which provides natural gas compression services in the US. Infosys will integrate digital technologies and mobile tools for its field service technicians. That's all for today.
Sense I've not really used much, but I think it's a great platform for kind of young upcoming companies to showcase their products and solutions and kind of reach a larger audience, right? Like one of the last HR conferences we met, in HR of like a multi-billion-dollar company, right? That only happens in a conference or like a showcasing platform like this, right? Otherwise, you reach out to them on LinkedIn or Twitter or send an email, and just goes into some inbox, right? But on these kind of platforms, you kind of get that face to face or in person or even like a virtual connect with that person, right? So that you kind of get that edge. So that's, I think this is a very good way for to showcase and get some early feedback and kind of build a brand.
दादी के हाथ का स्वाद याद दिलाए दादी मसाले।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं शशांक कार्तिकेय और स्वागत है आपका माय स्टार्टअप टीवी। मैं आपके लिए लेके आ चुका हूं फाउंडर टॉक का एक और शो, और आज हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं ओम स्पेस के फाउंडर। उनसे बात करने से पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमें सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन प्रेस करें, या फिर आप हमारी वेबसाइट www.mystartuptv.in पर जाकर हमें वहां फॉलो कर सकते हैं। आप हमारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे कि फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, या आप गूगल प्ले स्टोर से हमारा ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है माय स्टार्टअप टीवी।
धन्यवाद, ये लाइक गिविंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट आप लोग जो काम कर रहे हो वो बहुत बढ़िया है। मैंने आपका देखा हुआ है चैनल, और काफी अच्छे से आप लोग लाइक ए प्रोफेशनल यू आर वर्किंग, राइट? दैट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट थिंग।
सर, सबसे पहले हम आपकी कंपनी के बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे, कुछ आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे।
So first of all, I am Ravinder Raj. I am the CEO and the founder of Om Space Rocket and Exploration Private Limited. That's the company name, Om Space Rocket and Exploration Private Limited. Okay. So we are located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and we are working in aerospace industry, and we are building a space launch vehicle which is dedicated to small satellite and nano satellite. So the thing is, what we are doing, we are building a rocket which is kind of a reusable rocket which can be reused after the first launch, and the reusability is within 24 hours. So this is a kind of unique thing that we are doing. I think in India we are the only company which is building a reusable rocket. So we are fully registered startup, and I think we are supported by the government of Gujarat as well, and we are supported by this Department of Science and Technology, government of India. Yeah, so we are incubated in the Cradle EDI. That's the incubation center in Gujarat itself.
सो कितना आसान हो जाता है आपके लिए अपने स्टार्टअप्स को आगे लेके जाना when the central government and state government supported you in your startups and your company?
Actually, it was not that much easy process when we started to connect with them. It takes lots of time and like lots of meeting that they have taken by the in charge and all the government official. लेकिन फिर भी काफी मेहनत करने के बाद हम like luckily we connected with some of the incubation center head, and we are now supported by DST because like we are incubated in the Cradle ADI, which is a government supported organization. Yeah, so yes, after the getting connection, we are getting like lots of more connection with the government officials, so it's kind of a great help for a startup to go forward with the idea or the company that he is going to build, right?
The teamwork is very important for every company and every startup. So we want to know about your team leaders or how you motivate your team to work forward in your company.
Seriously, when we started our company, we are like team of 3 or 4 people only. We just have the idea to whether to go forward with this or to wait for some time, or because like we are incorporated previous year only, and it was the time of Corona that time. So it's very difficult to like convince even among your friend that you have to proceed with a new idea, right? So even then we like decided to start a new company and start working in the development of space technology, because like we have some knowledge, so we have to contribute in some way, right? We all are the engineers. It's like in our team, like maximum are the aerospace engineers, so we want to contribute, and we trying our best to build something which is very unique. Okay, in the beginning there was lots of problem we faced, but with the times go on, like right now we are a team of around 40 to 45 people in our company, and most of them are like passionate to contribute in this space technology. They are working very hard. Even there is, you are saying about the leadership, but the thing is everyone is passionate to do their work, so everyone is leader in their own respect. So when I give some task to someone, it's not like they are just asking the person, the leader, to help in it. They are just think by themselves. They start working on it by themselves, and they just take the responsibility to complete all the tasks. So
जब कोई भी स्टार्टअप या कंपनी शुरू करते हैं तो फंडिंग इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. So how can you reach funding for your startup, and how you use your funding in a different section of your startup?
We just started, so we are just looking for the fund. Means like we have not started our seed funding round yet, but we are at the bootstrap, and we are talking with the investor, and soon like the government is also going to provide us some support, financial support, and at the same time this I told you about the government organization, so they are connected like our company with some of the leading investor and industrialist, so soon we are going to get funded.
So इंडिया में किसी ने भी अभी ये रॉकेट के ऊपर कोई भी स्टार्टअप या कंपनी नहीं शुरू की थी, तो ये आपका मोटो कहाँ से है? हाउ कैन यू थिंक दैट ओम स्पेस रॉकेट इज अ वेरी परफेक्ट फॉर इंडिया, और आप इसका फ्यूचर कैसे देखते हैं इंडिया में?
In India, there is a lots of requirement of private players or private companies to emerge and to contribute in the space technology as well, because like there are other industry which is well developed and like at a very good stage right now, but the space technology is something that need to be developed, right? So some companies are trying, some startups are trying their best to contribute in the space technology. And when we talk about our company, so the idea is very simple to work to contribute in the space technology development, because like not everyone is doing it, right? So this is our responsibility. If you are an aerospace engineer, if you are an engineer and you have a passionate to do something in the space technology, then at least you have to start from somewhere. I know there is lot opportunity that is missing in India, because like the ISRO is the only country which is building rockets right now. But we should also take the responsibility, and we should create jobs, right? Create the opportunity in the field of space technology.
So my next question is that when you start with startup, there is any backup plan for you that if you think that my startup is not going to work in the future, so I have a backup plan for this. So you have any backup plan for startup or your for life?
Actually, the backup plan is the startup. Okay. The thing is, I just want to contribute in the field of space technology. So I was trying to go for like the ISRO exam. I have done some project with the ISRO as well. So I was trying my level best to contribute in the space technology. So this is a kind of like the startup that we started is a kind of backup plan only. Okay, so that it's a plan B. It's not a plan A, plan B. And we started this one so that we can directly contribute, not only contribute, but we can give the opportunity to other people to contribute as well.
आप कैसे देखते हैं स्टार्टअप और बिजनेस को इंडिया का फ्यूचर?
That's a very good question actually. Actually, the answer is not that much difficult because like you can see even today also that when we are facing this COVID situation, I think this is the startup only. There are lots of startup who is coming forward to help India to fight this pandemic, right? So if you see the startup as the future, because like the startup can understand whoever the entrepreneur or this company understand this like all kind of problem they faced, literally all kind of problem. So they understand the pain of any business who is now at the great height, the way, the hard work and the process of getting to that much of height and the struggle they have done, they understand the pain, right? So there's a good future for the startup because like whenever some problems come forward, I think this is the startup only who start and work at the front level. I think there's a good scope of a startup in the future also because like whenever we see any companies, they were whenever we see any bigger company, in the beginning they were just a startup, right? Now they are the bigger company, but when they started, they are also in a startup.
Just like many young entrepreneurs watching our show, so what you want to message deliver the young entrepreneurs for their startups or for their companies?
If you're really passionate to do something, don't think much on it. Make a proper plan and put your plan into the piece of paper and start working on it. Okay, don't waste time on thinking or consulting other people because if you are going to consult with hundreds of people, you will get hundreds of suggestions and you will be lost in the suggestion itself. Okay, so if you are passionate to do anything, not just the space technology I'm talking about, if you are passionate to do anything else, you just have to start working on it and give India like some good product and good startup.
सर थैंक यू, आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपसे जुड़ के बहुत अच्छा लगा और जान के अच्छा लगा कि इंडिया में ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स और बिजनेस में जो स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। तो हम आपके साथ फिर जुड़ेंगे और बहुत ही जल्द आपके साथ फिर जुड़ना होगा। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।
We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.